CITRONIX company from Subotica is a company that specializes in robot systems, design and integration, programming robots, manufacturing welding machines and CNC cutting machines. They engage in welding automation using industrial robots. They sell robots for various applications by German manufacturer KUKA for welding, packaging, palletizing, and integrate CITRONIX devices that have been developed specifically for robotic welding. They do inverter welding machines for development for their foreign partners, with specified parameters, the type of equipment, power, amperage, forward or bridge circuit. For appliances, robotic and automation systems, CITRONIX company engineers design and assemble printed circuit boards, which makes execution much faster.